The Skytech Shadow Gaming PC is a powerhouse built for gamers and creators who demand high performance without blowing their budget. At its core is the Intel Core i5-13400F, a 10-core processor with a base clock of 2.5 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz. This hybrid CPU combines performance and efficiency cores to deliver excellent responsiveness across gaming, multitasking, streaming, and everyday productivity. Whether you're deep into a competitive match, editing videos, or jumping between tasks, this processor keeps everything running smoothly without breaking a sweat. Complementing the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card with 6 GB of GDDR6 RAM. This card is ideal for 1080p gaming at high or ultra settings, offering smooth performance in popular titles like Call of Duty Warzone, Valorant, GTA 5, League of Legends, Apex Legends, and even more demanding games like Elden Ring or Cyberpunk 2077. The RTX 3050 also supports ray tracing and DLSS, giving you next-gen visuals with minimal impact on frame rates. Whether you're a casual gamer or looking to dive into competitive esports, this GPU delivers consistently strong performance. One of the biggest highlights of this PC is the inclusion of 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz. DDR5 is the latest and fastest generation of memory, significantly improving load times, multitasking, and future-proofing. It's more than enough for any modern game, creative software like Adobe Premiere, or running multiple apps without lag. Coupled with a 1TB NVMe SSD, you'll enjoy lightning-fast boot-ups and load times that are 30x faster than traditional hard drives. There's also plenty of storage space to keep your favorite games, software, and media all in one place. When it comes to design, the Skytech Shadow stands out with a sleek black tower featuring a tempered glass side panel. Inside, you'll find RGB lighting and 4 RGB ring fans, providing not only a visually appealing setup, but also excellent airflow and cooling. These fans help keep internal components at safe temperatures, even during long gaming sessions. The system runs cool and quiet, delivering the performance you need without the distracting fan noise you'd expect from less optimized builds. In terms of connectivity, the Skytech Shadow is well-equipped. It includes one HDMI port, one DisplayPort, and a mix of USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports. There's also 802.11 AC Wi-Fi built in, so you can connect to the internet wirelessly out of the box. Whether you're using this PC for online gaming, remote work, or streaming, the connectivity options are versatile and reliable. Plus, Skytech throws in a free gaming keyboard and mouse, making this an even better value for first-time PC owners or those looking to get started immediately. Another great bonus is that this PC comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed and is completely bloatware-free, giving you a clean experience right from first boot. There's no unnecessary software to uninstall, just pure performance and a user-friendly interface. Skytech also backs this machine with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, as well as lifetime technical support, so you're never on your own if you run into any issues. Overall, the Skytech Shadow Gaming PC is an excellent choice for anyone looking to experience high-performance gaming and productivity in a ready-to-go package. With its powerful CPU, capable RTX GPU, generous DDR5 RAM, fast storage, and clean design, it's a well-rounded system that can handle almost anything you throw at it. Whether you're an aspiring streamer, a competitive gamer, or just someone looking for a powerful home workstation, the Skytech Shadow is a smart, future-ready investment that won't disappoint.